right, today we are walking through a construction site to get to open land to look for snakes. Someone knocked the fence down for us. Perfect. Don't want to fall in there. Wonder if these snakes crawl down in here. You never know. Look at that attachment. That is a lot of pipes. Jeez. That is actually a really nice retaining wall. Wow, it's like perfect. Alrighty, we are in. Got a couch cushion. Snail. Flip over our first piece here. Come on, number one. Ah, nothing. We'll try this one. Same material, different piece. All right, nothing yet. We're still out here looking, but we'll find something. I mean, look at all this. Look at this, you guys. This is concrete bags. Nice. Nice little plywood spill. Let's check all this stuff. Oh, it looks so good. Nice tire. Look at that Pirelli. All right, let's check out this plywood. Geez, not even a mouse. Check this piece of plywood. Oh, there goes a mouse. Nothing. Gee, white wall frisbees. Wow, those are really pretty. Look at those. Let's check it out. Oh, guys, there's a rattlesnake right there inside the nest. Woo, that is so awesome. That's actually the second time I've seen a rattlesnake in a nest in this location. Very cool. What a beautiful October day. Only had to flip 100 things so far, right? All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna put this board down off camera, super gentle. Hey, look at that, you guys. That is some big old sewer lids right there. Okay, back at this beautiful retaining wall, and thank you for coming along today.